share a few inspiring words to open today's program. Let's give him a big hand, everybody.
Thank you so much for that. So, to open, let me read this to you and address you. Good afternoon, everyone. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this inspiring gathering for Junior Achievement in FWD It's My Dream program, an initiative that celebrates the power of dreams, resilience, and opportunity. First, I'd like to recognize and extend our heartfelt thanks to the distinguished guests joining us today. Of course, to our VIPs, thank you for continued support and belief in the potential of every young person. Let's give them a round of applause. Mr. Joel T. Torrecampo, Deputy Superintendent of Pasay. Mr. Mena M. Cruz, Deputy Superintendent Mandaluyong. Mr. Charlie Fababayer, Assistant Superintendent. Good afternoon. Ms. Sonia Pascual, of course, of FWD. And of course, Mr. Jen Velarde, our President of JA Board of Trustees. To our fellow JA partners and mentors, your dedication makes dreams not just possible but achievable. And most importantly, to the youth here today, you are the reason we're here. You are the dreamers, the doers, and the difference makers. The It's My Dream program is more than an event. It's a declaration. A declaration that out-of-school youth are not forgotten. Tama? That their potential is not defined by circumstance, and that with the right tools, support, and encouragement, they can break barriers and build a future they deserve. We are here to ignite hope, to offer pathways, and to affirm that dreams, no matter how big, are valid and worth pursuing. Together, let's celebrate their journey, champion their aspirations, and commit to creating more inclusive opportunities for every youth to thrive. Thank you very much, everyone, and let's make this memorable and meaningful day.
Alam niyo, yung program na to, the Dream, is not just a program. It's a launch pad. Kanina I was like talking to Nergia. You're here, Nergia. Where's Nergia? Yeah, Nergia, hi. I saw her dedication, her story, when she was like crafting the pastil. And it was really, it captured the very essence of this program. When Jay is crafting this whole program, the idea is to really more of sparking that kind of a dream. That's why this afternoon, let me just talk about dreams. To really capture it, I have like an acronym, D. Can you spell dream for me? D-R-E-A-M. D stands for Dare to Believe. Alam ko maraming mga challenge, right? And you know, starting here, coming here, it's a challenge in itself. Starting that program, it's a challenge. Going through navigating yung pagbebenta, coming in with the budgeting, collaborating, it's actually a challenge. But you believe, like Nergia, right now, she believed that everything is possible. And for students right now, for mentors, and even for our supporters here, we are so grateful for giving that opportunity and believing as well for the students. So we want the students to say, I believe. For the students, can you tell each other, I believe in you? Right? So that's what we want. We want to challenge you. Dare to believe. R, everybody say R. We want you to resist from giving up. Let's resist kasi ang dali bumigay. Okay, tapos na, then what? Actually, the whole idea here, it's just a start. It's just a beginning. And there could be a lot of things going on. But you know what? What has been started, this is just a start of the journey. I was talking nga kanina, there was this soap, the soap people, di ba? It could be a start of something big, di ba? Pero pwede namang bumitaw eh, parang ano na pagkatapos, eto na ba to? But you know what? The program is designed to sparks of something big in what you do, guys. So students, mentors, even for even of our supporters here, we are so grateful in supporting such an initiative. So we have the D, We have the R, E. E means we want you to look at education in itself as an investment. I know the alternative learning system provides you with that opportunity, but did you know that that in itself is an investment? Students, can you tell each other, I am invested? And we are invested. We thank the FWD people for really investing on the students. And we're so grateful kasi what you do today would have an impact in the future. Okay? Yun ang sinasabi namin. I was like talking to the mentor, si Ma'am Jane. Saan si Ma'am Jane? Sa Sir Raven. Diba? I was talking to the mentors earlier and shinare nila yung mga challenges for ALS education. That in itself is a big plus. We're so grateful sa dedication ng mga mentors to help you, bring you to where you are right now. At least the journey has started. And did you know that education is really important? You can simply say, how could this actually make sense? Diba? And we have our DepEd supporting us here. And this initiative would allow us to look at it more on the long term. Did you know that education is a platform for you to succeed? Ang bilis, ang dali na lang talaga bumitaw. But you know, I'm also a product of how education has actually created that opportunity for me to take into forward steps to make a difference, at least in my life, as well as the people around you. Did you know that initiative, those business ideas that you're actually looking for, or actually working on, could be an opportunity for you to help and impact your families. So you're not just looking at yourself, you're also looking at the impact it could do for the rest of the people around you. And as you impact yourself, your family, hopefully the design is to impact as well the society as a whole. And we're looking at the Philippines with having a lot of those initiatives, ideas, okay? So we dare to dream. We want you to really look at this, resisting from anything to give up, valuing education. A, everybody say A. We want you to act. Action through collaboration. You did teamwork. Did you know that's also designed for you to work with people because you cannot operate in a vacuum? This program lets you deal with people no matter how difficult it is. Isa sa mga challenges sa mga kwento kanina that I was like able to listen to is ang hirap makipag-usap sa mga tao. Diba? People are difficult, challenging, but you know what? This program allows you to still adjust, to still make arrangements, and to make sure that that aspect of connection matters. Okay? So we want to dare you to believe. We want to actually make sure that you resist from giving up. We want you to act, to look at education as very important, act through collaboration. And lastly, we want you to look at this momentum. Ano yung momentum? Ang momentum is you look, what you have started, you continue doing it. Momentum towards the future. Naalala ko kasi a lot of may mga stories kanina narinig ko na parang, mahirap lang kami. Ang hirap gawin to eh. Parang, how can we start and make it big? Like what you're saying, Sir Jen? Let me share to you a story. Did you know, a fun fact na lang pala. Did you know, ask me what? Did you know, na ang bangus, sa English ay milkfish. Right? But did you know that the milkfish could actually thrive both sa fresh water saka sa salt water? And everything, even in a brackish water, yung mixed salt water, ang tawag sa kanila urihalin organisms. Meaning to say, of whatever level of salinity, kung anumang alat ng tubig, they thrive. Alam mo what that reflected? Kanina kasi lunch ko bangus eh. Kaya na medyo nag-reflect ako. You know what that gave me? It's a reflection. Kahit saan ka mang environment ipinanganak, You might say a lot of challenging. Hindi ideal ang family background namin, yung social setting. Ganito lang kami, ang environment ko is so poor. Pero did you know, just like the bangus, you can thrive. Okay? You can still succeed. It's a reminder. Ang drama, it's not how your environment has actually impacted you. It's how you keep on fighting and fighting and fighting. So, the next time na kumain ka ng bangus, think about this. Right? Let's move forward. Let's have that momentum. Let's go about and challenge all of those preconditions of this society. Alam mo, back tayo ng framework. There's this RA 10679. It's the Youth Entrepreneurship Act. Nasa batas yan. What we're doing here is backed by law. Suportado tayo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. You know why? Because the government sees it. If they see a nation with entrepreneurs like you and I, who could rise above their challenges, they could see a progressive Philippines. And talking about rise of challenges, let me end with this. Diba sabi natin, dream. Sabi natin, dare to believe. Okay? D, dare to believe. R is resist on giving up. Huwag tayong bibigay. E is education is an investment in itself. A is let's act towards collaboration. Let's work together. And M is momentum towards the future. And that would soar us high. And this is an age-old depiction of an eagle. Parang eagle. Have you seen an eagle before? Turns out, ang eagle daw, ang agila, would go and travel and soar pag may mga bagyo higher than what storms provide. They soar their wings, and then the hot air would lift them up. Instead of just like any other birds who would cower, natatakot sila dahil may bagyo, ang ginagawa ng agila, sasagasaan niya yung bagyo. He will use the air to actually lift himself up. Same way challenge po sa mga ALS for mentors, for teachers, and the students. Rise and spread your wings like eagles. They are the ones that would lift you up. Their challenges, they're elevators for you to succeed. Ngayon mahirap, but let's choose our heart. Sooner or later, we will see what has started here could be something of really of great value. And this is only possible because of our FWD partners. Palakpakan nga natin ang FWD. They have placed a lot. Totoo daw. They have placed a lot because they believe in you, they believe in what you could do, and this is just a start. It is not a formula. It's actually real life. And this is something we want to actually provide in support for our mentors, for our supporters, for our DepEd officials, and for you, teachers and students. Coming here, huwag kayong aalis dito without thinking of the bangus, without thinking of the agila, and lastly, without thinking of what you have started here. The spark can make it actually burn the fire for you to move on and move forward in life. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang mga estudyanteng Pilipinong nangangarap.
Thank you everyone! So parang kahapon lang, which is literally kahapon lang talaga tayo nagsimula nito. But I'm so happy and I'm so privileged. My heart is full. Tuwa-tuwa ako kasi we started It's My Dream last year. So I see a lot of people here, lalo na our friends from the media. Nandun din kayo nung sinimulan natin yung Spark the Dream, di ba? Tapos ngayon nakita nyo, Spark the Dream was all about sa mga public schools, sa partner natin, DepEd. Ngayon, ang partner natin, DepEd pa rin, pero out of school youth naman. Di ba ang galing na ang dami nating na-touch na lives na actually mas bongga na sila ngayon sa atin kasi sila entrepreneurs na sila. So yung pinakakinikilig ako dito when I hear you say na kaya ko pala to. So may negosyo na ako ngayon, entrepreneur na ako, ma'am, na-sold out ko yung mga paninda ko. Di ba yung mga iba sa inyo, umuwi pa, nagluto, nagbag... Di ba parang sabi ko, dapat hanggang gabi tayo dito, magbebenta tayo. Sabi, ma'am, wala na kaming paninda. Parang ako, wow. Yun ang parang sabi ko, hindi lang tayo successful, over-successful tayo, di ba, sa 2 araw na to. Pero gusto kong i-ano sa inyo na hindi pa to yung end, di ba? Simula pa lang to. Di ba? So kung ano yung success na nakuha nyo ngayon, gusto ko na para yung, ngayon naman kayo na animal kingdom, ngayon plant kingdom naman tayo, para yung plant, di ba? Halaman yan. Di ba? Nagtanim na kayo ng seed, nagbunga na siya, may plant na kayo, budding mga ano na kayo, mga baby negociantes na kayo ngayon. Tuloy-tuloy nyo yan. Gusto kong makita next time. Di ba? Hindi ko na kayo ma-recognize. Sabi ko sa kayo, ma'am, dati maliit lang yung stall ko, ngayon ang laki na. Di ba kayo, di ba sabi nyo kahapon sa akin, ma'am, next time nasa grocery na yung paninda ko. O, yun yung sabi nyo sa akin. Di ba? Next time, ano na, may sarili na akong brand. Di ba? So yun talaga yung gusto ko. Kasama nyo kami na naniniwala. At saka, nangangarap para sa inyo. If you can dream it, you can make it happen. Kung kaya nyo siyang isipin, kaya nyo siyang gawin. There will always be people who will help you achieve your dreams. Okay? So, simulan natin to ngayon. Hindi ngayon to nagtatapos. And yung mga natutunan ninyo, sana gamitin nyo siya para ma-inspire din yung mga kakilala natin, iba yung sa mga communities natin, mga kaibigan natin, na sila din, kaya rin nila itong gawin. Okay? Agree ba tayo doon? Yes. So, I hope na na-inspire kayo dito, natuwa kayo, and paglabas nyo dito, diba dapat may yabang na kayo, diba, na entrepreneur ako nakapag-sold out ako diba? And then tuloy-tuloy natin to, pag gusto ko makita ko kayo sa mga ibang mga bazaar, sa mga online selling, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. Okay ba yun? Okay, sige. And with that, signing off na ako. As FWD Life Insurance, sinusuportahan po natin lahat ng mga Pilipino. We are the insurer of the next generation. Ito po, part lang to, no? Dahil naniniwala tayo na yung next generation ng mga Filipinos, kaya maging successful, kaya maging mayaman, kaya gumawa na kayamanan. Dahil yung totoong yaman natin, hindi pera, pero yung ating mga sarili. Okay? So, can I get an amen? Can I get an amen on that? Yeah! Okay, very good. Thank you so much.